Money. Oh, go. Here we go. There we go. Let's go, Jim.
Let's go. One more push.
Okay.
Man, proper form.
17 hours later. 17.
Fact.
You kidding me? Rip Ray HQ is where we're staying. Clean.
Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. 8.
Yep.
8.
Yep.
7.
Ladder.
6.
All the way down.
5.
Keep it going. You got it.
4.
Keep it going. You got it. Keep it going. You got it.
Come on, push it. Yo, yeah, buddy. That's good. That's good money.
Hey, good effort.
Oh, man.
Let's get it.
Easy part. Money.
Let's get it.
Money.
Money. Let's go.
TD said he had something in mind too. I was gonna wait till you push. Oh, let me get the weight. That's what I have to wait for.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Back up.
Push. I can use these instead.
Back up. Down.
Two muscle up. Two muscle up.
Hey.
That one's hard, man.
No, you can do like 2.
You got it, man.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm good. I'm like, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Jim. Money. There you go. Who's recording that? Who's recording that? He's holding it. He's still holding it. Record him.
I ain't got a phone.
Damn, nobody pull no phone
I ain't got a phone. Yo, Duck, hurry up, Duck.
It's okay, I recorded it right there. Okay.
3.
Let's go.
Oh! Let's go.
Word. Oh, yeah.
What? 3. Oh!
Easy money.
That's nasty work. E-Rex. E-Rex.
Work.
Let's see y'all.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir.
Literally.
Yes, sir.
It worked. Over the bar.
Oh, yeah.
Roll.
There we go. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Spin around. Perfect.
Now he was faster than me.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's that, Walmart?
Let's go. Walmart parking lot.
Keep it clean, bro.
Eat food.
Keep it clean with the pushes. Got the chicken, vegetable. Working hard.
All right, well, let YouTube know I'll be 59
59,
October
man.
the 13th.
That's a
59 and still fit.
blessing.
Let's see it.
My young bro. Thursday.
Look at this. Full extension.
Yes, sir.
Locking out.
Yes, sir.
No, he's not about to.
Yes,
He's not
sir.
about a Superman. No. Locked out.
Money.
Good
Money.
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 That's good money, son. Oh man, I don't think I could get one of those reps in, man.
And that's
That's it.
58. Soon be 59.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
Yeah,
Talk to him.
yes, sir.
Talk to him. That was money. That was nice.
That was cool,
Give it a
bro.
try,
Give
Jim.
it a try. All right,
Give it a
let's see.
try.
Let's show you. This is how tough it is. All right, so full lockout. Let's see if I get one rep.
Here we go.
That's it, man.
Hey, man. Hey, I like that.
Mm-hmm. Go. Let's go.
Let's see it. Let's all get in there.
I like that. I'm glad I saw y'all. And y'all too.
Yes, sir.
Man.
A Lake Okeechobee, a Ripachobee right here. Look at that.
Look at this.
There we go. We got a third one.
You got to
We got, dang. That's a 4-clip.
Hey, man.
You feel that in your back and everything. That's real deal.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I love it. All right, what you got, Best? Best got it. Let's work. Let's
Go. Got this.
This is good money.
Put your hands all the way out in front of you.
Yeah, he said stretch it out. All in the core. You gotta squeeze the core. There you go. That's good money.
Nice.
Making the bridge. Dang, 3. We got 4-clip.
Come on.
That's a 4-clip. Yeah. Yeah, man.
I like that, man.
Yo, let them know.
I heard the record was 29. I used to do 35 of them.
Yo,
35. I used to do 35 straight, man.
35 straight. That might be a world record. Let it be known.
Look here, I used to do 100 push-ups straight, regular. I
Unbroken.
used to do 1,800 to 2,000 push-ups every day,
What?
at least 5 days a week.
What's your name?
Jack Alexander.
Man,
Sir.
shouts out. This is a legend.
It's
an honor.
Can still kick 8 feet high.
Whoa, he's got the flexibility and the strength. I'm telling you, bro.
Sir.
We love to see it,
It's all about
man.
healthy.
Yeah.
Fit over 50. Yes, sir.
Fit over 50. Yes, sir.
We
Yeah.
love it, man.
Appreciate
Good.
you.
Let's go, Jim. Easy. Let's go, Jim. Easy. Him hat fell off.
Yeah, man.
Let's go, Jim.
That was fun.
Easy.
Whoa, this got some weight to it.
Yes, sir.
Down, up, down, up,
Can we
down,
go faster? Like,
up,
it'll look prettier faster.
down, up, 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 down,
Getting faster,
up,
y'all.
down. That's money.
4, 3, 2, all right, 1. Let's go. Best. One, round 2. Nobody but the bottom of my plane. Here we go, last round, round 3, right here. And let it go.
What's that? I need that.
Yeah, you got that.
There you go.
Android up. Android up. Starting tonight, bro. Punishment. And flushes. That deep dish pizza.
I need you to cross the monkey bar still. You heard me, Duck. You heard me, Duck. I need you to cross the monkey bars.
Taking like a cliff, like ah!
Yo, y'all need me to record it?
Yeah, please. You can record it.
I was about to.
There you go.
Light work for Jim.
That 90.
In the new ghost.
Yeah, there you go.
Sir, Joe.
No strings attached.
No strings attached. Let's go, Jim. Let's go, Jim.
Yeah, buddy. All right, so separate them. Now do 10 pulls. There you go. Try to keep your arms locked out. There you go. Yeah, you could do it up above your head. You can do them down here low as well by your waist. Try to lock your arms out. The straighter, the more difficult. Very nice. And you could do biceps too. You could hold one out and yeah, exactly.
That's a great thing.
Right? It's pretty sweet.
Where'd you get it at? Sports store?
No, it's a ripstick. I got it from Rip Right. I can get you one. I know the guy. He's really cool.
Yeah.
See, there it is. Rip Right. That's where you